So some people talking about inflation, some people talking about crash market, even though this happening, those stocks is going up because now is kind of the market emotional and follow a different trend. So we have to be prepared. If you want to make some money, we have to watch out when we explode from this resistance, will be ignition to enter, and where we hit the resistance, our signal to take our profit. So whatever the market do, we could actually make money if you have a strategy. So let's discuss those few stocks that will jump on the next week and where we're gonna take a profit and where the short will come and institution will buy, so we could actually make profit with them. So let's get right to it and start our video with MULN. As you can see it clearly, we held our support that we last time we talked about here on our channel and even on our Patreon in pre-market update, because we do a lot of alert pre-market for price entry and exit, and even on our Discord channel we discussed the chart analysis for a lot of stocks. So last time we talked about MULN, we talked about this ascending line, and we should have a bounce for MULN when we hit this support, and that's what happened around the 1st of July, and the price went up. What we suggest, we said the $1.26 is the resistance, we're gonna see a rejection, and that's what happened, and the price went down. So what we should expect for MULN for the next week, because last Friday we did almost 10% and the price went down, this is a good reaction. The best good signal by the next week or Monday for MULN is overcoming the $1.26. It would be really good if we saw the pre-market over the $1.30 for MULN and holding when the market opened. This will confirm that the price will continue around the $1.65, which is the squeeze area, to see those two profit taking, the $2.15 and the $2.72 for MULN, and we can calculate this. How much is 30% for the first profit taken and another 30% for the other profit taken around the $2.72. Next we have RDBX. Last time we discussed RDBX, we suggest that the price will have a bit of reversal around or above the $5 the moment that we broke from this ascending line around the $9. That's why the price went parabolically down, and now we have a nice holding up for RDBX above the $5. What we suggest for RDBX will have a massive test for this resistance, which is around the $6.70, which show us that the short seller are heavily positioned there. That's why the price is accumulating below this area. So the game plan for Monday, we need to overcome the $6.70 and accumulate above. Then we're gonna have a retest and do double top around the $9. The $9 is the squeeze area for RDBX to see again the 13 and the 17, where we're gonna see a parabolic price to go around the 25. However, at the moment we have to just watch out for the $6.70 as a resistance and the first signal for price momentum change for RDBX, and holding of course this bottom above the $5. This should be our bottom for this month to confirm this price action up. A lot of people tell me which kind of stock is really safe to buy at the moment at the current condition of the market, because the market is going down and a lot of investors going towards big blue chip company, more safer. So from my opinion here, we have an undervalued stock. We have one of them is Apple. Last time we said the 136 is kind of the support. If we held, we're gonna have a price test around the 140 or 150. Now it's 147 for Apple. So for my opinion, Apple doing good if we held above the 136. So if the price didn't hold above this support, because we might see a rejection around this extension average, you see here we have the price going down around the 117, and you can actually load up an average down for Apple, and there is opportunity to average down here with free share of Apple. Of course you can get it here on Momo. You have 44 hours left to get your free share of Apple, and at the same time you could actually win up to 10 free stocks because it's summer exclusive on Momo until the end of this month. And those stocks you can get AMC, DKNG, Apple, Tesla, Google, and FFIE Energy. How you can get your free stocks is easy. You can open your account with Momo. Second, you just deposit $100 in order to get one free stock value between $8 up to $2,500. So use this opportunity and get your free share of Apple with my link in comment section below, or notification will pop up here. It will take you directly to open your account with Momo. So if we go to the other squeeze stock that we're gonna talk about today is HUSA. Still holding this ascending line. From the big picture, you can see it, we're still doing higher lows. However, if you go in small picture, you see this big downtrend. Okay, so always there's some paradox in chart. If you look in big picture, you see it kind of uptrending. If you go in smaller picture, you see it kind of downtrending. So for my opinion, the big picture is the more important, because it shows us the smart money or the mass institution where they buy. So we could actually buy with them. So we are near this price value for Houston, American Energy Corporation. So if we held this important level, which is above this ascending line, will confirm that the institution bought and the price will be ready to test the $5.70 again, which will be the confirmation for parabolic price until the $9.50. The next one we have Senseonic. We have a lot of people talk about Senseonic because we have some kind of fundamental news. That's why the price kind of bounced from the 0.79. This should be the bottom for this year for Senseonic, for my opinion. If we held this bottom and never visit again, we're gonna have a test for the $1.69. This will be a turning point for Senseonic to see the price going parabolically again around the $2.80 and around the $3.70. Okay, so the $1.69 will be important level for Senseonic to overcome and hold. The last stock we're gonna discuss is VTNR. We just broke important resistance on Friday around the $10.79, and we held above it. So we need to confirm one thing, which is holding above this current support. Even if we got a bit of pullback on the market open by Monday, we need to hold in order to see a test for the 1308. So we're not clear yet to have all-time high for VTNR. For my opinion, the 1308 will confirm that if we overcome it, we're gonna see all-time high for this year. If we don't overcome it, we're gonna see the short drive the price until the $8 and the $7.70. This will be a nice bottom for VTNR to see another like reversal and push back again. Okay, so this will be a game plan, holding above the $10.79, testing the 1308 to confirm, are we ready to continue to go up or seeing lower lows for this year. Hopefully that was informative and clear. If you have any question, let me know in comment section below, and let me know what you think about the market. Are we ready to reverse for the second half of the year? Because the last was really crazy and volatile, and we see a big pushback for the market. So let me know what you think. Are we ready to reverse for the market or not? Let me know in comment section below, and see you in the next video.